This is Justin AMZN on Wednesday, March 13th, 2019. Just like we've been doing. Now, we didn't pull back to a line. We didn't pull back from where we were leaving off after hours yesterday. We started to rally pre-market, made a new high, new recent high, and then our pullback was right here with these couple small candles right into yesterday's highs. And then we kind of grinded a little bit higher, made some small candles here, broke out. You can see this downtrend here that's broken out into a couple small candles right at the high. And some bears are trying to go in to roll this thing over, and it didn't work. Broke out. Then where do we pull back to? Where do we retest to? Right here at the high. Then we rallied from there, made a new high. Then we rolled back down pretty sharply, actually came back down. And this candle came right back down into the same range here where we were retesting earlier. So this is kind of like a primary retest, secondary retest, and we even actually got a little bit of a rally here. Now this rally only came back up only to kind of the lows from the second move higher. There was a lot more selling candles, some upper wicks through here, some gaps. There's a little gap between this candle and this candle, looks like. And so, there's some things happening up here to say, okay, maybe it's not going to just continue to run up. You got below the 21, we retested up to the 21 and then rolled back down. And we ended the day pretty close to where we had been retesting once, twice, third time. So we'll see what we end up doing tomorrow. This yellow line up here, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. That's the one that I drew on the daily for this, this slope. Kind of grabbing these highs, we came right back into that, almost into that today. So it's a really good target to have gotten into. We've had 4 bullish candles in a row. We made 5 last time we had this kind of a move. We're right into the same range here. Some indecisive candle right up here at the top. And so on the options, we had 1,700 calls. We put in some small candles. So you could have easily done a $100 risk and, taken some of these from like 7x6 going up to 9, even 10. So that would have been 2, 3R, some smaller candles up here that continue to move up. And then even on the puts, let's see, we came down to around 10 or 11, around 11, not quite to 10, but could have been getting in like 12 by 11 in this range as it made some of those upper wicks on the daily, and seeing this kind of a move, that would have been a nice gain, back up to a previous resistance on the put, and then even into the last 45 minutes of the day, some smaller candles here getting in like 13 by 12, and that made it right back up almost to that level. So just a number of different opportunities to get in. Let's see. Probably some of the best ones were small candles off of these retests. This one may have been a little bit tough, but it gave you a second place to get in bullish here, retesting back into that range, and then just kind of grinded higher. And then getting in bearish somewhere up in here with these upper wicks, having, just $100 risk, even getting in bearish and any of these candles up here with stop up above this one. Would have been a nice gain here, but you would have had to react quickly and just have gotten out. So, just looking for an R for 2, looking for an R on a fade, go for 2 or 3 on, continuation bullish. All those things are possible today. So we will be back tomorrow to see what we're going to end up doing, if we can continue higher, if we're going to have some bit of a pullback. If I zoom back in on this, I am seeing a bit, let me see if I can draw it real quick. Where's my drawing stuff? Okay, if you can follow this along, that to me looks like I drew that straight line, not very straight. This looks like head and shoulders here on the 5 minute. So in the morning, if we can do some sort of pullback, retest that neckline and roll back down, I'd be fine with that. I would actually like to see it back down here for another place to buy, and really get kind of a secondary retest that we didn't get here. We just kind of S-curved and continued up, If we can get a bigger retest down there, then we'll see if we can make this if we can make this smaller 5-minute head and shoulder turn into a bigger head and shoulder, at least the second this pullback to kind of a neckline here, be a bit stronger and send us even higher. That's what I'd really like to see. So we'll see what tomorrow looks like, and then kind of see what we could do into Friday too. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is Justin AMZN. Thanks.